Kumusta sa atong mga kababayan, mga higala o mga Davaoeños? Basi nangita mo og pagkakitaan online aron di na kay extra income para makatabang sa imong pamilya pero dili ka sure kung asa or unsaon. Ako di ay si Marichu na ako nagpuyo karon sa Michigan, USA, originally from the Philippines. Bisaya o kamausad mo Davaoeño. From healthcare worker, caregiver, and used to work 3 jobs, now I'm proud to say I'm an online digital business owner. Mauni ang few reasons why I took a chance. As a healthcare worker, caregiver, always exhausted physically and mentally. Wala ko'y time sa akong family. Always ko work every day for 15 years. With 3 jobs, never around with my family. I miss almost 15 years of my son growing up. I miss all the fun and gatherings sa akong family and things that we love of doing. I'm proud to say, I'm glad I went all in. Karon wala na ko mo work sa akong 2 other job kay kaning akong side hustle dako ang tabang financially and quality time sa akong family. Kani nga online opportunity bisan wala kay background sa business or any idea kung unsaon pagpadagan sa negosyo kay ang system tudluan ka. Dunay step-by-step training, dunay unlimited coaching and mentoring. Coach and mentor assign nimo one-on-one. Run it anywhere you want, when you want. Do it with your time. Dili ta mamaligya diri og mandisturbo sa atong family and friends. Pwede part-time and full-time. Portable and flexible. Sad ni siya ang imo lang kinahanglan cellphone and laptop. 90% automation ang gamit diri. Pasabot bisan asa ka in the world. As long as you're connected and plugged into the system, you will earn as you go. Proud ko kaayo diri kay nakatabang ko sa atong mga kababayan all over the world to mentor them and set up sa ilang online business. Kung nakarelate ka sa akong story, try lang nimo. Who knows, basin makatabang sad ni sa imo to change your life and your family because it does to me financially. Hopefully, makatabang sad ko to others. Ang pag-register dire free. Imo lang i-check kung ang business para sa imo or dili. Click mo lang ang learn button aron masend nako ang free information about sa business. And after, it's up to you to decide, okay? Best of luck and can't wait to see you on inside. Hopefully, magkita-kita ta on inside.